one way or the other interacted with cryptocurrency. And so what everything we are going to be discussing here is from cryptocurrency and above. We are looking at more or less like an advanced course. It's more or less like an advanced course for us. So we are looking at it. Many people have been in the space of crypto for a long time, but they do not know anything to do with futures trading, especially futures trading. There are people who have heard of futures trading at fear. So they do not know if they should go into it. Others are so scared of it. But you realize that the moment you take your first step, you realize that everything begins to work perfectly. Everything begins to work perfectly. So today, our leader will surely talk about cryptocurrency, and then we'll also touch on futures. Later on, then I come in and also talk about what we can be able to do, our hopes, and where we want to get to in the next 3 months. So that is it for now. My leader, are you back
Yes, I
on
think
track?
maybe you can hear me very clear now.
No, we can't hear you clearly.
I
Please
don't know
reposition. Yeah, we
what
can hear
could
you
be the
now.
problem. What could be the problem? Can you hear me clear now?
Oh
Hello,
no.
can you
I
hear me?
think
Yes,
Okay, I
I can
think
hear you.
I will have to use my phone. I will
Me, I can hear you clearly.
switch, yes, I will have to switch to my phone. Although some of things I will not be in a position to share, but I will just redirect to my phone. So no problem with that. I'll just join using my phone. Yes, guys, can you hear me now? David, can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, we can.
Or you can hear me now clearly, eh?
E-
So
Even on the laptop, we were hearing you.
what?
Even on the laptop, we were just hearing you. I think not everyone had a problem.
Okay, I think David had a problem, eh?
Probably.
Yes, because I wanted to share some of the things from the laptop, but no problem. So, guys, you're much welcome. We are here to discuss about cryptocurrency, how we can benefit. There are very many things each and everyone can benefit in cryptocurrency. So, we'll start. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency, it's all about decentralization. It's something that started back in 2008. That was December 08. It started with Bitcoins. It started with Bitcoin when the Bitcoin, when we had economic crisis, then people were wondering what next. So they came up with the cryptocurrency. So, but the first crypto was Bitcoin. We have over 22,000 different types of cryptos, but Bitcoin is the mother of all. It's the main. Others are alternative coins. So Bitcoin came into existence. The founders, they are anonymous. No one knows who is the founder. They are only known by the name. No one knows if it's a person, if it's a company. No one knows. It's Satoshi Nakamoto. So that is where crypto started. So the idea behind crypto was one world, one currency. So if someone is in US, if he has one Bitcoin and I'm here in Kenya, we are all equal, not the other way around. If someone has dollars and I have like Kenya shillings, we are in different levels. But the idea was to have one world, one currency. That was the idea behind crypto. there was also an idea of decentralization, blockchain, open ledger, where you could see each and everything. So blockchain was backed on Bitcoin was backed on blockchain, where it's an open ledger where you can see each and everything. Each and everything is open. There is no so that is crypto. There are many ways you can benefit in cryptocurrency. So there are many ways. They have been moving each and every day. So number one, you can do trading, you can do mining. So, but our core thing, the reason why we are here, it's purely on trading. And there are very many ways in which you can trade cryptos. There are very many ways in which you can trade cryptos. So, for you to trade cryptos, you are expected to have an exchange. In CoinMarketCap, where you normally see all the cryptos, either coinmarketcap.com. We have www.coinmarketcap.com, where you can see all the cryptos. We have over 22,000 plus of them. Or you can go to CoinGecko, www.coingecko.com. That is where you can see all other cryptos. So we have over 500 plus exchanges where you can do the trading. We have over 500 exchanges where we normally do the trading. We have very many different exchanges. We have the likes of Coinw, which is our main thing. Coinw, where we normally trade. We are community here because this community around here is working with Coinw to make money. So they are doing their trading in Coinw. So in trading, there are very many ways in which you can make money. So like Coinw, and I will explain what is Coinw, where you from Coinw. So in Coinw, you can do trading, and there are very many ways you can benefit in Coinw. I will explain. And there are very different types of trading that each and everyone can do. So Coinw started year 2017. That is when Coinw started. It was operating only in borders of China, but recently it started to operate within other continents. So Coinw started that time. They were only on sports trading. But once it started spreading all over the world, they have started also futures trading. So in Coinw, being an exchange, there are very many benefits you can benefit. Number one, you can benefit as an affiliate partner. You can benefit as affiliate partner. I want to try whether I can. I want to try the laptop so that maybe I can share some of the things, because very many things are here. So you can. So number one, you can benefit. I think you can hear me, Bonnie. Boniface, please. I request you to be my moderator in case I'm lost. Maybe you can speak up.
Yeah, you're clear.
I don't know.
You're clear.
As and David.
Yeah. I'm back. I think it's
I think my voice is clear. Okay.
I think you can.
So there are very many ways in which you can benefit. You can benefit in Coinw. Number one, we have affiliate partner. For those who have been trading, like in Forex, because trading started way back then, and it will never end. So it will be just change of things, but trading will ever be there. So for those who are doing like in forex trading, we have brokers. So in crypto, we have exchanges where we normally trade. So in like here in Kenya, we have different brokers who are fully regulated, who we normally trade. If you are trading forex, like we have like forex, we have IC Market, those brokers. But here in crypto, we have exchanges. So we have Coinw. So in forex, I want to give an example using forex. You'll allow me to do that. So in forex, we have introducing brokers. That is the people who are introducing other people to come on board and trade in those brokers to trade forex. But in cryptocurrency, we have affiliate partners. That is a partnership. So you are just like an introducing broker on the forex side, but here we are dealing with the crypto. So we call them affiliate partnership. So how does the affiliate partnership work? So affiliate partnerships work like this. So you come on board, you register, you get a link, you register your account, you fund your account, then you get your link, you go to rebates from your account, you get your link, you share with as many people as possible. Once those people trade, you get paid a certain percentage. Once they trade, you get paid. That is once they trade, but not once they deposit. You get paid once only when they do trade, because once they trade there is transaction cost and you are paid from the transaction cost. You are not paid from deposits, because each and everyone can deposit and can withdraw anytime. Once you deposit in Coinw, you can withdraw anytime, as many times as possible. You are not regulated, you are not you, there's no sorry, there's no guidelines on how to withdraw. So you can anytime you can deposit, you can withdraw anytime. So once if you want to work as an affiliate partner, the people whom you bring on board, they must trade. It's not, you are not paid. This is not a program. The ones we have been doing and disappearing with our money. We have lost a lot of money from those scams. So this is you have to come on board, do trading, and transaction cost. So you are paid from the transaction cost. After done trading, after they have done deposits. That is a partnership, and the payment normally comes each and every day. That is on time by 8 a.m. they are paid. So I don't know, maybe in Africa we have different times. I think we are behind. We are ahead with 2 hours. I think so. So for affiliate partnership, your money reflects at around 8 a.m. each and every morning. That is affiliate. Number 2, you can come on board as a trader. You can come on board in Coinw as a trader. How? In Coinw, you can do like I had said, you can do like 4 ways. You can trade in 4 ways. Number 1, you can come on board and do spot trading. Spot trading, you trade like this. You only make money when the price is going up. So like now, I was sharing this. Let me try share. Like now, I was sharing this. This is a crypto bubbles. Like now, I was sharing this. I think Bonnie, you can see my screen, eh?
Yeah, we can see.
Boniface. Yes, I was saying, like now I was sharing this. So in spot trading, you can make money only when the price is going up. So in a certain market, you cannot make money in spot trading. If you plan to do spot trading, you cannot make money when the market is like this. So this market has been going down. Let's say like the whole of today, the market has been it's bleeding. If you can see, like today, the market has been bleeding. So in spot trading, you cannot make money when the market is like this. Then that is number one. So if you come on board in Coinw as a trader, you can do spot trading. That is, you buy low, you sell high. So and by the end of this, I give when you can try spot trading. So by the end of this, maybe even if you will like dollars, I'll share one of the coin which I believe maybe, according to my understanding, it will skyrocket. So this is spot trading. I will share one of the coin that maybe you can do in spot trading. So spot trading, you can make money only when the price is going up. You cannot make money in such a market like this. Number two, you can do futures. So number two, you can do futures. Futures trading is what we have been doing and what we are doing and the reason why we are here. So futures, you can make money even if the market is like this, because you normally make money in both ways. When the market is going down, like this one, and when the market is going up, like maybe last week, when the market was going up. Last week, market was somehow good. You can see the market was green. So you can make money in both ways. When the market is going up, when the market is going down, you can make money. That is futures, and that is what we are doing here. Number three, you can make money in you can make money when you are doing P2P. We have a P2P. P2P for Kenyan market is not yet ready. I think they had communicated by the end of this month. It will be ready, but it's somehow almost 99%. If maybe you come here, this is P2P. P2P, you are working like a merchant. You come on board and you enable this and withdrawals. So you come in between. You are helping people to do deposit and you are withdraw. Like Kenya, you are acting like an M-Pesa agent. So if you come, I think my network is so low. So the method is almost complete. Maybe for Kenyan, I think also for Ghana. I don't know whether Zambia is ready. I think Ghana uses what? I think this is the currency for Ghana. I think it's almost complete. That is for Ghana. For Kenya is also almost complete. I think Ghana is purely working. For Kenya, it's also here. For Kenya is also here. Let's say like 0.95. So the only thing that we don't have is the payment engine, the payment mode. Payment method is the one which is not ready. But by the end of this month, each and everything will be okay. So if you want to be an agent, if you want to become a trader and trade in P2P, you can as well make money trading P2P. So we have seen in Coinw, you can benefit number one, you can do spot trading. You trade when the market, you make money only when the market is going up. Number two, you can do futures, and which we are doing, and which will dwell much of our time on. That is, you can make money when the market is going up and when the market is going down. Number three, you can do P2P, this one. Number four, on exchange, that is, before we have arbitrage. Arbitrage make can move over the exchange. Maybe you can do it manually, or you can maybe using you can create a yacht to do that. You move your coins from one market to another, and you make a margin, you make a profit. So depending on different prices, that is arbitrage. So we'll come on trading on futures now. I think, guys, we are together. Boniface.
Yeah, we are together.
I think we are together, guys. Thank you.
Yes,
So on futures, and what we are doing in futures, you can trade in different ways. Number one, you can utilize our signals. Number one, you can make use of the signals which are given by the company, by the experts from the company. You can make use of the signals which are 85 to 90% accurate, but we'll need to learn more about maybe we have market orders, that is market execution orders. No. Please. I'm in a meeting, please. I'm coming. Okay, sorry guys for that. So in Coinw, sorry guys, that we have a loss which are 10 to 90%. Many did not come to our life. We had a meeting with presentation on how you can enter those signals. We had one of the traders who was here. I don't know, I think we were just around 4 of us. I know yesterday was a family day. So we had one of the traders, of which he is not around. We had an opportunity. He explained about the pending orders. That is the buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and the sell stop. And today we were maybe to do like live trading with him, but unfortunately he was not around. So for the signals, maybe most of them we normally put them on market execution, but we will learn so that maybe we can start doing at least pending orders. Pending orders, they can be either buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, or sell limit, of which we'll learn, and that's why we are here to learn. And also, please, if you are here, please, after we do our meetings here, it's good. Maybe you go and also at least add knowledge. So you can go in YouTube, maybe friends, the information, learn. So this is and trading is which is dynamic. You don't just come here in the meeting and just wait until we have another meeting. That is when you learn. So if you follow someone like David, he has been learning. Now even he can make his own signals. We have Boniface. He has been learning. So this thing is very dynamic. You need to learn and learn and learn. So in trading, we normally say always a student. In trading, we always say I'm always a student. So you remain a student forever. Each and every day you are learning. Each and every day you are learning something new. So in trading, each and every day we remain as students, ready to learn. So please, even after this meeting, go there on YouTube, try and learn more about these futures, and you'll be also a benefit to us. So that is signals. Our signals are so simple when you understand. You can do them. That is market execution. Or once you get once you get the signals, if you will take your time and learn, you'll be able to at least analyze that signal before you enter that signal. You will see that signal. You at least analyze. You see the right time maybe to enter that signal. That is number one. Our signals are so easy if you take time and learn, because it's just copy and paste. You just copy and paste on the other side, of which we'll go through how to do that. And in case if there will be any question, I will we'll handle all the questions after the meeting. We'll handle all the questions, not in between the meeting, but all the questions will be added after the meeting. All the questions will be added after the meetings. After we do our meeting, we'll add all the questions. So that is signals. Also, we have copy trading. Copy trading. Copy trading is not 100% because you are following someone. These are traders. Copy trading is like mirror trading, or it's just like copying a bright student in a class. So whatever they do, you duplicate, but you have to do at least some adjustment. You can't copy even their names. So copy trading, just a minute. Okay, guys. So copy trading is just like copying a bright student. So these are some of the people whom you can copy. These are some of the people whom you can copy. These are some of the people whom you can copy. But we don't encourage copy trading. We don't encourage 100% copy trading. Reason as to why you are not 100%. These people are not 100% compared to once you get the knowledge, because the idea is to get the knowledge and start trading for yourself. You can enter the market each and every time, anytime you want. So these are some of the people. If you can see, this person has over 56 followers. He has been around 127 days. This is its ROI. This is the profit. This is the number of trades. This is the number of wins. This is the number of losses. These are some of the currencies. But unless you don't have time to learn, unless you don't have time maybe to utilize the signals, we are not here to encourage copy trading, because we want each and everyone to learn a skill that will pay them for the rest of their life. Because trading is a skill, and once you learn this skill, it will pay you for the rest of your life, guys. So we are not here to encourage more about copy trading. We are here to encourage people to trade by themselves. We are here to encourage people to start to learn this skill. Bonnie, can you hear me? Boniface, are we together, guys?
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you loud and clear.
Okay. So, guys, we are not here to encourage people to do copy trading. We are here to encourage people to learn this skill that can pay you for the rest of your life. This is a skill. Once you get this skill for trading, you are good to go. You can live anywhere in this world, so long as you have internet. You'll only need only internet. So long as you can access internet, you can stay anywhere in this world. So this is a skill, and we are not encouraging more about trading. We are encouraging people to learn so that they can be self-dependent. Okay, that is copy trading. We have very many people who are here. You can copy in case you don't have time to learn, you don't have time to follow the signals. In case you don't have that time, maybe you can opt to do copy trading. If maybe you don't have even passion, because each and everything goes with passion. Maybe you can be here, you want to make money, but you don't have passion to learn. So maybe you can opt to go to copy trading, and you'll follow all these people. We have very many of them. You can come and analyze whom to follow. So that is copy trading. Then I will come here and talk about the signals. So like if like today we had a signal, maybe I can see if we had any signal. We had a signal at around 4:20, that is Kenyan time. So if you come like here in futures, this is my page. This is which currency? Let me put BTC. Maybe I can switch to the phone. That is where I will explain better in terms of how to put the signal. Let me. I'll just switch. I've switched already. So let me try and share my. Let me try and share my app. So this is just a minute. This is the Coinw app. This is Coinw app. This is the Coinw app. If you can see it, this is Coinw app. So once you register your account, in case you are here, you don't have an account with Coinw. Once you get the link from the person who invited you, you just click the link, you register. After registration, you go to Play Store, you download this app, Coinw. Once you download that app, you log in, then you do your KYC, and you set your trading password. Then this is how the app. This is the app. So once it opens, this is how it opens. So you click there, then you click professional dashboard. So this is how it opens. In case you want to do copy trading, this is how you do. So, but we are here in futures. Once you have this account, this is the account. Once you have your account, we are normally given bonuses up to over $1,000. So these are the bonus. If you want to trade the bonus, number one, you must have your account verified to advanced level like this. I think you can see advanced level. So once your account is an advanced level, maybe when you come to futures, you can trade the bonuses. You just click on the red T. That is like a sign for USDT Tron. So you just click the red thing with a T. You just click it there. Once you click there, you will have the super bonuses. The super bonuses, they are the one which we have the one which are ready to use, and the one which are not already yet not ready to use. So like this one, I can use this one. So if you can see over here, these bonuses, you can only trade them only on Ethereum. So like this bonus, it's $10. So I can trade. They have regulated it for isolate, and they have put a leverage of maximum of 5 because they are money. So maybe like I'm expecting Ethereum to maybe to go down more. So like I can put like a sell. So that is the bonus. I'm trading on bonus. That is the bonus. You can make use of bonuses. Also, this can be a selling point to you. Maybe if maybe you are doing the like campus tour, if you are in a affiliate partner and you want maybe to market, this is a selling point because you will bring people after they register, make use of the super bonuses, the bonuses that which are free. But the more you continue doing transaction and deposits, the more you get more bonuses. But $10 it's free. So that is how we normally do. That is how we normally utilize the bonuses. Then now I want maybe we utilize. So once you go to, if you want, after you register your account and it's like this and you want verification, if you want to deposit, you come here at asset, down here, asset. Then you come up, we have overview, then you click asset. Then like if we have like hide small currency, you can unhide, you click that arrow, you come to USDT here, USDT here, down here, you click here, then you come to TRC20. Because the reason why I'm using this network, it's because it's cheaper compared to Ethereum, ERC20, and BSC Binance. So it's cheaper. So we normally use TRC20. But once P2P is ready in each and every country, so you will not be going all this process. But now we are going all this process because we cannot buy USDT from here. But once the P2P is ready, we'll be doing all the things around Coinw. So that is how you deposit. Once you deposit, it will come here at asset. Then you can transfer. You'll transfer from asset to futures. You transfer it from asset to futures. Let's say like you transfer. So once you transfer, you come down here, you click futures. So this is how it is. So you come here, these are the different currencies. You can click all. In case you want it to be favorite, maybe like I want like Binance Bitcoin Bitcoin Cash. Maybe I want it to be my favorite. I just come and click that arrow, that flower. Is it a flower? I click it there, so it will come here on favorite. The currencies that you can trade in Coinw are here. They are here. So like we had a signal. We had a signal at around 10:20. We had a signal at around 10:20 p.m. Kenyan time. This signal, once the signal is sent, it has a timing. Please don't dwell on that timing. Once the signal is sent, you should enter that signal within that specified time, the time it was sent. So in case you come back after like 1 hour and you see that signal, please don't enter that signal. So don't dwell on the timing of the signal because we have different timing. We have different timing because we are in different regions. So like this trade was this signal was saying trading pair BTC USDT. Action was long. Entry point we have 29. We have 29.70. I think guys we are together. Bonnie. Boniface, are we together?
We are not seeing the signal.
What?
We are not seeing the signal. Go to the signal.
Okay, the signals are in your. The signals are in your Telegram group. Maybe I think I can share the signal on. I think I can share the signal on one of the WhatsApp, or you can. I don't know whether you
Just
can
go
see
back.
my. Can you
Just
see
go back.
my? Can you see my screen now?
Yes, yes. Just go back. Yeah.
Okay,
There.
okay. This is the signal. It was sent around 4:20. So this is so please, once the signal is sent, don't dwell so much on timing because we have different timing and we are from different regions. So just dwell on the time it was sent. If you come like after 1 hour or after 30 minutes and the signal was sent 30 minutes ago, please, unless you are a good trader and you know what you are doing, if you are just here maybe to copy and paste, please don't enter that trade. So this is the signal. We have a trading pair. It's BTC USDT. Action is long. Entry point is 22,970 to 23,140. Leverage is 30. Maximum usage is 30%. That means it's 30% of your capital. Then we have a TP, stop loss, and take profit. So there are some of things here which are not compulsory for you to do, like the leverage. You can choose whichever leverage you want to use. You can choose the maximum amount you want to use from your capital on that signal. So if you come here, like this is the BTC. So the signal says it's BTC. It was around 22,970 to 23,140. So you come on the right on your right hand side. You can see we have prices running over there. This is called order book, where we normally have buyers and sellers. So the red one are the sellers. Each and everyone in the market only expects to sell at a higher price. Then we have buyers. Each and everyone in the marketplace also expect to buy at the lower price. I don't know whether there is anyone who always wants to buy at a higher price. So each and everyone in the marketplace expects to buy at lower price. Each and everyone expects to sell at a higher price. I think I'm communicating. So
Yes.
that is the order book. Then we have the price index price. That is the price, the entry point. That is the price range. The range we are given here should be within that range. Should be within this price should be within that range. This price should be within that range, entry point. If it's not within that range, unless maybe you are doing either by limit or by stop, or sell limit or sell stop, you should not enter that trade. If it's not within this range, if this price is not within the range you are given entry point, you should not enter that. So then we have the market. Yesterday we had someone who tried to explain this with drawings about the market. Market is just you enter the market instant. We have the limit. That is we have either buy limit or sell limit. Then we have the trigger. Trigger is like a buy stop and sell stop. So we had someone who explained that, but our signals are, we normally enter them by market. That is like you enter market instant. Then we have this option, adjust more than the leverage. We normally use isolated. Isolated means in case you have $100 and the market goes against your way. The market goes against your way and you have $100 and you had put a position of maybe $20. You can only lose $20. You will not lose the whole amount. Then cross means in case you had a capital of $100 and you had put a position of $20 and the trade goes against your way, you can lose all the amount. So that is the difference between isolated and cross. So sometimes cross is good when maybe you have a bigger capital because it can hold you for some time. But it's not good when we have a small capital. You cannot trade with cross. Maybe if you have maybe like $100, it's not undevised. Then we have adjustment, maybe merge and split. This is in case you are opening like two positions at different time for the same currency. Either you plan they will be merged together to be one trade or to split. That is optional. So that is how we do it. Then we have available margin down here. This available margin. This is the total amount I have to trade in futures. Then we have down here, we have TP. This is take profit and stop loss. You can set them before even opening the order. Then this was telling us to go long. Long is a buy, short is a sell. So, like for example, I will decide. I have $155. I will decide either to enter like $1 or $8. If I want to enter like $1, I will move this one to $1. Then it will read here order margin $1. Then let's say like I say like short, for example. I say like short. So the order will be opened here. We have the position. It will come down here. So I have opened an order of $1, $1.3. And if I want to adjust the take profit and stop loss, I come here and I adjust according to my analysis, wherever I think it's the best place. But for the signal, we are given the take profit and stop loss. So you can put as undevised. So that is how we normally maximize on signals. The reason why we are dwelling so much on how to maximize on signals, because we have a challenge. We have a challenge that is coming. David is here. We'll explain more about that. But before maybe I finish, so I've said, I know you guys have questions. We'll come to questions once we are done with this meeting. So please keep all your questions. We'll answer all your questions after this meeting. But before we go so far, we have that challenge. I want to welcome Mr. David. I want to welcome Mr. David to talk about the challenge. We want the challenge entails you have to join with $50 to $100 purely on Coinw. You have to verify. So how will you verify? This is how you will verify. You have to verify that your account is. You have to do verification that you are funded Coinw account. So if this is the account, I think it will be a must for you to deposit, to open your account in your PC, in your computer, either desktop or whichever the computer, so that we can see your UID and the network. We can see that, and we can see network, because in the phone you can't see them at the same time. But on PC, on your personal computer, maybe you can see your UID and you can see the amount on that account. So that is how maybe we'll be doing verification. So guys will be expected to go and log in your account maybe in your PC, of which David will talk more about that. You will be expected to go and log in your account in your PC. After you log in, you take a screenshot. I think in PC we have that screenshot. We have snipping tool. You can use that snipping tool in your PC. Then after that, you will share with some of us to verify that you'll be added in that group. So we'll take questions after this. After David talks to us. So David, you are much welcomed.
Okay, thank you very much.
Yes.
My leader, see you've done a lot of justice to what I'm even supposed to talk to the people about. You've already touched on much, and today you touch on a lot of things. You know, I've learned a lot today, especially regarding different things that can be run on the platform. I got to know that it's not only about futures trading, but you can do sport, you can do, which is very, very, very powerful. Okay, thank you everybody for coming to this meeting today. I'm going to be talking about exchange. Hello, somebody's background giving feed. Okay, can I continue now?
Yes, you can continue, David.
Okay. Okay, so thank you very much. So let's go straight into it. The challenge, I'm calling it the Dylan challenge because I'm running this challenge to honor our analyst, the Dylan, the young man who does the analysis on Coinw. He's a very, very powerful leader. And then he does a lot. Today, I was on a page where he was explaining what will happen in the market and how the people should get involved. You can see that he's not just speaking, but there are people who are gifted in certain areas. When it comes to football, everybody plays football. But when Messi picks football, you can tell that this one is a gifted guy. It's the same thing with this expert guy. When you come to the futures market, the moment he starts explaining the signals and start talking to you about what will happen, what we should expect, when the breaks that he's expecting, when he begins to talk about that, you can tell that this one, it is his area. This is something he's good at. So this is the reason why I chose to honor him with this challenge. Now, this challenge, I know most of us here have also gone through the hands of Ponzi schemes and other things before even coming into this. So I realized that even when a lot of people registered, when we asked them to deposit $50 for them to start, for us to start, that $50 became even a challenge. And a lot of people struggled so much before they could be able to raise that $50 to join. And most people joined last month. And when they joined, some people, I told them, use just 10% of your money, because I need you to have the understanding. It's not just about joining the profit. No, you must have understanding of what you are doing. So most of them started trying it from last month, and so there is understanding. Now, the good thing that we have in here is that Coinw has been so generous to us that they always give us signals. Now, what you have to realize is that the signals that they give to us, they are about 90% accurate. That means if we are able to tune ourselves well and take out greed and everything, we should be able to end up in profit. See, there's no football team that starts playing football from day one and then they win every match till they get to the cup. It doesn't happen. Sometimes you might lose from beginning. In the middle there, they win somebody, it goes on, but at the end of the day, somebody, they qualify and they go for a trophy. What I'm trying to say is that we are not promising that in this particular challenge, there's not going to be losses. No. But what we are trying to do is to try as much as possible to make sure that at the end of the day, we are able to hit the target. We are able to win that thing. Okay. Even if you are not able to hit the 10,000 that we are targeting, and you are even able to multiply your money to even $1,000, my brother, that is a plus for you. Then it's a win. It's a win because there's no platform that you will put money and then be able to generate that profit. Okay. Now, how would the whole challenge be? How will it go? We intend that everybody that is going to be participating in this has to do it on Coinw. If it's not on Coinw, you are not part of the whole thing that is happening. And you are not going to be enjoying our signals. No, you have to do it on Coinw. So therefore, one of the verifications is that you need to give me a screenshot of your account. You must add your UID. Your UID, when you are using your phone, when you log into your account, on the top left corner, you see your profile. Just click on your profile, and then you will see the UID number over there. Just copy it and then attach it to a screenshot of your deposit. Yeah, the deposit side, when you click on the down right corner, you see assets. Just click on asset, you see there's that side open for you. If you have deposited, your amount deposited will be written there on the overview. It will be written there. So just give me a screenshot and add your UID, because when you add your UID, we can be easily able to be verified that okay, this person is one of us, and so that person is ready to be able to move. Then we have a group that we are going to give to you. We have a group that we give to you. Once we give to you, you are going to move. My leader, you want to say something? The Moreno?
No,
You have some.
no, sir. Just continue. We are listening. Please, just
Okay.
continue so that once you are done, maybe we can take 2 or 3 questions. Then we can call it a day. Then we will be expecting maybe those who are ready. Maybe we kick it off.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm expecting that you will send me a screenshot and your UID. Once you send me that details, will be able to confirm to know that okay, you are using the Coinw account, and then we give you the group link. You join that group, and then we start everything from that group. Okay. Now, some of the rules are this. Number one, it has to be you have to be trading on Coinw, as I've already said. Then number two, we are going to be trading within the margin of 5x to the maximum of 19. Now we are trying as much as possible not to do things that are too risky. I've seen people do 100x. I've seen people do 200x. I've seen people do 50x. I've seen people do 40x. But all of us, our risk margin is not the same. Okay, so I want us to be able to trade within 5x to 19x. The fact that we say between 5x to 19, it doesn't mean that you have to go to 19x. You can be trading at 5x. You can trade at 10x. You can trade. Look at your strength, and then make sure you are within the range. Do not go beyond that, please. Do not go beyond that. Sometimes the signals that come says 30x, but like my leader said, it is not compulsory that you must follow that 30x. It's not compulsory. You must be able to set. Look at your own risk level. How much risk can you be able to assess, and then use that one. So we are ranging between 5x to 19x. Now, every day, our target is to be able to make between 5% to 15% profit. Now, let me repeat that side again. Our target is to make between 5 to 15% profit. Somebody says, why are you looking at 5% to 15% profit? Don't we make more than that? The truth is, we make more than that. There are times when we even see 90% profit. There are times we see 100% profit. There are times we see 80, 50, 30. We've seen it over and over again being posted on the page. So it's not like maybe news. We are able to get those things. But remember that we are in a challenge, and this one, it requires discipline. And so we are trying as much as possible to discipline ourselves and then walk in that line. Okay, so if let's say we give the signal, and then that day, God being so good, we are able to get above 15%, it is a plus. Okay, it's a plus for us, but the target should be between 5% to 15%. Please, I'm saying this because I've seen people who have been expecting strange profits, and then they see the profit grow maybe 20%. They are expecting it to hit about 22%, and it gets to 20%. They do not take the profit, and then the profit goes back, and now the trade goes into negative. And before you realize, they start losing money. We do not want that to happen. So please, if you are going to be part of this challenge, as part of our rules, you must stay within that margin. When you get between 5% to 15%, it's okay. We take the money. Okay, you liquidate and then you take the money. It's the same thing and then we are going to be compounding. The idea is that we are going to be compounding every day. We are even compounding just $50. I was doing analysis with one of my colleagues using Excel sheets, and then we were doing the analysis for 3 months. If we are compounding $50 at the rate of 10% profit per day, and then you will be surprised the amount of money we were getting at the end of that. We were getting close to about 50-something thousand dollars. Okay, so don't see it and say it's too small. It is not too small. Besides, even the Ponzi schemes, how much do they give? the maximum they give is 3%. But even that one, they know they have an idea that they will run away with your money. But even that one, they give you 3%. So let us not be Di Moreno, I think your microphone.
You are breaking, sir. You are breaking. I don't know whether it's a network or.
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Yes.
So, like I'm saying, even the Ponzi schemes, they give us between 1 to 3%. How much more we that are able to trade and then make between 5 to 15%. So don't be greedy. When you are within that range, please cash out and then liquidate. Don't go into the trade again for the whole day. Don't go into the trade. What I realized, I think there was one of these days that almost everybody on the page got liquidated. And I can tell you that thing happened simply because most of us, when the trade went into negative, we were hoping that it will come back. Listen, we are trying to discipline ourselves here and then go to the top. If your trade goes into a negative of about -10, it's okay. Liquidate. Don't struggle. It might be painful, but just accept that day we have lost. Maybe the next day that will come will be able to give you much profit. Okay, so liquidate. We don't want a situation whereby you will be holding and hoping that okay, it will bounce back. Then before you realize, then it will trigger your liquidation price triggers, and then your whole money is gone. We don't want that situation. So if you realize that your trade is gone into negative up to -10, please liquidate. Please, I hope you are getting the rules very clear. When we are in profit of about 5 to 15%, it's okay, liquidate. If we are able to get beyond that, it's a plus. But if we don't hit beyond that and we are within that range, please liquidate. If the trade also goes into negative and it is in -10, please liquidate. I know you will be thinking that, oh no, the market will come back and then we will be able to go into profit. What if it doesn't come back? And what if the trade goes in and you get liquidated? No, we don't want that situation. Remember that we have a target. We are building upon. We are compounding every day and then building it gradually. So we will definitely get to the top. Okay. The signals that are being given to us over here by the grace of God, they are about 90% accurate. As I said, they are about 90% accurate. So that if we are able to beat this greed a little, and then we are able to hold our, and then we are able to fall within the 90% range as usual, I can tell you that most of us will be making good money about this challenge. So please, everybody. Am I still breaking or is Torino's microphone?
I think it's yours. You are breaking somehow. It's not clear.
Are you sure everybody can hear me? I think you are playing some music now.
Okay, let me unmute then.
No. Morris, you have to mute your microphone.
Okay. I think he's muted the microphone. Okay, so like I'm saying, it's a challenge. Remember, it's a challenge. We are not competing against anybody. Nobody's trying. Don't look at your neighbors and say, okay, my neighbor's money is more than mine. You are not competing with anybody. It is just a challenge for yourself to be able to grow your money from just $50 or $100 to $10,000 as we have targeted in 3 months. So stick to the rules that have been given. We trade between 5x to 19x maximum. We take profit from 5% to 10% to 15%. That is the profit that we take. And then also, when you are in negative of about -10, please liquidate. Do not think twice or do not wait that market will bounce back. Please liquidate because we don't want you to lose your capital. The next signal that will come, you can't tell. It will be able to push you and then bring back that money that was lost. And if you keep compounding every time, you will realize that we are in good profit at the end of the day. So everybody that is interested, we are also interested in working with you. So do the needful. Go to your account. If you have not yet registered, please collect the link from whoever invited you here and then register yourself. After registration, make sure you verify and your account is verified. Then you send a screenshot to me or you send to Moreno. You give him a screenshot. Once you give him the screenshot, he will see and then realize that, okay, this person has properly deposited it with Coinw. And then he will add you to the group. When you talk to me directly, I will also add you to the group. We want to be as much as possible. See, our target is not to get 1 million people at instantly. But even if we start with just 10 people, and then we are able to do it, and by the grace of God, we are able, by 3 months' time, we are able to hit our target. I have confidence that when you go out there and you even tell somebody to come and join, the person will rush to come because you yourself have become a testimony. Okay, you are now the products that we are selling out there, and so we can be able to grow the team and then the numbers also. Okay, so God bless you so much. If anybody has any question, you can feel free. You can ask your question at any time that you like. My boss, Morris, please, you can unmute now and then take charge of the meeting. If anybody has any questions, please ask.
Okay. I can see Mercy, aunt is up. We want to hear from her. Yes, Mercy. Mercy, you have any question, please? Okay, Mercy. Okay. Bonnie, do you have maybe a comment? Boniface?
Yes. Me, I have a question.
Yes.
And my question is about what is the difference between closing and liquidating?
Okay. So that one, it's not that much clear. I don't want maybe to mislead you on that. But on my side, I normally do liquidate.
Okay.
But I will try and give a direct answer maybe tomorrow, tomorrow's meeting, please.
Can I try?
Or maybe David, maybe.
Yeah. Okay. So when you click on liquidate, what you're actually saying is that instantly the trade should be stopped. And then whatever profit it is or whatever loss it is, you are ready to accept. That is what the liquidate button means. But when you click on close, it means that they give you the opportunity to set where you actually want to go out of the market. Maybe where you are at the verge of hitting your target, okay, but you've not hit the target yet. The close button gives you opportunity to put the number that you want, your trade to close on. Then immediately you go there, you put in there, immediately hit it, it closes for you like that. So that is what I have seen. That's the difference I've seen. But the liquidate is instant. I usually use the liquidate because I don't have time to go and be setting something. I've seen what it is and I want to pick my money and go away. So I just click on liquidate and I'll take whatever is in there directly. I hope you are getting, but this is from a layman's perspective. I don't know if there's a book definition, but this is a layman's perspective. Yeah.
I think what you're saying is correct, because when I do close, it is a long process.
Yes.
You have to confirm twice.
Exactly.
and in the process, I find my profit has gone.
Yes.
So your liquidation method is better.
Use the liquidate. If you use liquidate, you are telling the market, I am satisfied with what it is now. So give me the profit and the capital now, or I am accepting the loss. Please give me the remaining money. That's what a liquidate button actually means. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, David, for that. Another person, maybe Bonnie, are you okay? Or maybe you have any comment, any concern, please. You are one of the
I'm
leaders in Kenya.
I'm very much okay. Thank you very much for that explanation. And maybe next time we can discuss about analyzing the indicators and stuff like that.
Okay.
Otherwise, I'm very grateful for the opportunity to listen to you guys.
Yes, I don't know. Maybe how is your team, Bonnie, in terms of trading?
Oh, we are really trying. We are pushing on. Now,
Okay.
most of my people are able to place trades for themselves.
Okay. Are they ready maybe for the challenge, or it's your first time you are hearing about the challenge? I had posted on your page about the
I
challenge.
saw it.
Are they
I saw
ready
it
for
on
the
the.
challenge?
I saw it. I shall be talking to my people tomorrow so that we can come in.
Okay, that will be massive. That will be massive. But also, like I'm saying, there are a lot of people who are already trading on their own. There are people, so they understand what we are discussing. There are people who are using robots to trade. So the whole process of trading, they want somebody else to do it for them. There are people who also depend on a lot of things, okay? But this trade is going to be done by yourself. We are not using artificial intelligence. So everybody that is interested in this competition, the first thing you need to be able to do is to know how to position. You need to know how to position. You need to know where to put what. It's important because I was talking to my leader, Leader Morris. Signals are time bound. Sometimes you can see a signal that has been given since morning. You look at it carefully and you can tell that the signal has not yet played because where the range in which the entry range, it has not yet played. And so maybe you can look at it. If you are confident and you know what you are doing, you can use that same signal, enter, and then probably to go in the direction of the fellow. But if the fellow also did, let's say there's a signal the person analyzed, or he thought in the next 10 minutes he's supposed to do that and he didn't do that. My brother, it's a whole thing. When it comes to signal, it's a whole thing. I was discussing with him that I also want everybody to be able to set their telegram so that the moment we put a signal, immediately they will receive either a beam on their phones or a message, a notification, so that they can click on it and then immediately see the trade and then enter the trade as we have said it, and then probably end up in profit exactly as we expected. But if we put the trade and then after hours and hours before the person comes to see the person trying to do something, it might be very dangerous for that fellow. Okay, so we are looking at that aspect. So whatever we are doing here, this challenge is something you will be doing yourself. You will enter everything yourself. So make sure you understand. If you don't understand anything, for my team, for instance, you can call me. I am always available. Everybody knows I am always available, and I'll be there to guide you. Click this and click that. I'll be there for you. But for those who are also on other teams, please, if you don't understand anything, reach out to your leaders and make sure you understand how to position, where to put the button, what the range means, where we are entering, how to take profit. You need to understand all these things. And when you understand that, once you put a signal there, it will work like magic. Sometimes I come in my group, for instance, let's say I go into the market and then I see an opportunity of a particular asset going up. Immediately I see that and I know that, okay, maybe there are people who will also be interested. So I come into my group and I say, let us go long for this and that asset. Somebody will ask me, please, what entry point? Hey, here we are doing market. By the time you wait for that entry point and you finish entering that entry point, within that 5 minutes, maybe that profit is already made. It is now that you are coming to enter into the market. You get me? So the moment I put, I say, let's go long, you click on long or whatever, and then quickly you enter into the market. My people, I discussed that with them. Leaders also, when your people call you, please give them the best support you can also give them. Because this challenge, I believe anybody that participates in it, by the time that 3 months is over, we are never going to be the same. Even if you started with $50 and you are even able to grow your money to $200, it is not bad. $200, it is not bad. It is not bad at all. It's not bad at all. So please, let us take this project very, very serious. Very, very serious. So learn it, become part of it. Let it be ringing in your mind. Join the group through the leader who brought you. Join Coinw with the link. Be registered, deposit your money, and then join the challenge. It is something I am confident about, and I know at the end of the day we shall all be smiling. Okay, so thank you. Anybody else with any question? Time is far gone, so please, if you have any question, let us hear you and see how we can help you quickly before we go out of this place.
Okay, I can see David Zambia. David, please, if you have anything, maybe any question.
Yes, it's like Dave from Ghana read my mind. Like in my case, I am so much interested and I am just learning these skills. So what Dave said is exactly what I need. I don't know if someone is available to avail this information to me so that I know exactly what to do. Because this is what I need. Thank you.
Okay, David from Zambia. My question is, who is your leader? Who is your leader? Because the reason I'm asking is because there is this video that I usually share even on my pages. Okay, that teaches people on how to position. So you must watch that video, and then if you have any questions, we can look at it and then make sure we solve that thing. Okay, because it is required, like it is the most important aspect of the whole thing we are doing. Is the most important, because imagine there's a signal and you don't even know how to enter, and you are just there, you don't know what to do. No, you must know what to do. If the signal is put there, you must be able to engage, you must be able to move. If there's something you don't understand, you must be able to ask, okay, how come this is that? How come am I this? There are some people who even want me to call them and say take profit. You don't need a leader to say take profit. You are seeing profit, take your profit. It's your money, take your profit. You get me? So there's a video. I don't know how we can get connected. I don't know if you are in my group, my team already, or you are in somebody else's group. I spoke to a lot of people. I'm every day talking to people to join Coinw. Okay, so I don't know if you are one of them or you are from another person's team, but there's a video that can be able to help you in this regard.
Okay, I can get the video, but I joined through Mr. Namkando, and Mr. Philip as well has been helping me, even Mr. Morris, but I can still get that video and learn. My interest is to learn. I really want to learn these skills.
Yes, okay. I think that's fine. I think my boss...
David is under Philip, who is not around. But I will share the video after this meeting. Then you can go through it, understand. We have another lady here, Mary. Mary, I think she has a question. You are welcome to Philip. Mary, please. Mary, please. We want to hear from you.
Hi, guys.
Yes.
You have to so that we can hear you well.
Okay, my question is, during verification, I'm not in a position to take a photo of my ID or my passport, but I have the documents in my garage. But it fails. How can I verify, like in primary verification? How can I verify it?
Okay, on verification, you normally do you'll not be expected to upload, but you need to take a photo. Maybe there is a problem with you have also to allow your phone Coinw to access your phone so that the verification will be smooth.
Okay.
Yes, and please make sure the app, the app you are using, you go to Play Store, you download the app. If there is the problem, maybe you can delete the app and upload once more. Then you try to upload. In case it does it, please try and reach me or David will be of help.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, much welcome. We have Philip. Philip, please.
I have a problem.
Yes, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing well. I have a challenge here. There is
Yes.
this applying to David. I'm wondering why he's not getting his rebase. I have all, and the Mr. David is ready. Yeah, the same applies to me again. I have several people who are ready, but I'm not getting the rebase. I'm wondering why. That's the question I want to know. Why?
Yourself, you are not getting the rebates.
Yeah, and the applying to David is not getting the rebase. Why? And he's direct to him. Why?
Okay.
And the other time I told you Morris to send me the other time I told you Morris to send me the link to check the team.
I hope I am the one you're talking about, right?
No, yeah. You are not. You are not under him.
Exactly.
We have another David here from Zambia.
Yeah. I was wondering, like I became confused all of a sudden.
Okay, not you. So we have we have a system where you can manage all your people and confirm whether all your people are under you. Philip, the system was not ready, and I did not get the password. Of which once I get the password, I will just forward, and you will be able to see all your people. Because you see, some people we normally send the link and they double click. Once you double click, you'll be redirected to the company direct. So please, once you get the link, just click once. Don't double click the link. Once you double click that link, you will be redirected to the company, but not the person who referred you. So please make use of that link. Just click once.
But those people I've checked, they are in my line. I've checked. They are in my line.
They are all in your line.
Checked. Yeah, I've checked. Even I've checked the line to David.
Okay, I will try and get the password probably before the end of tomorrow. Then we will go through it together.
Yeah, because that one is very bad. We need to see production.
Okay.
Yeah.
We have Boniface. Boniface, please. Or maybe you can give other people time fast. Then.
Okay. Just a minute.
Yes.
I want to chip in on the two questions.
Yeah.
For the lady, check whether your ID is the current one, not the old one. If it is the old one, it will not be accepted. And as for Philip, Morris, please mute me. As for Philip, when you are registering your people, try not to use the rebate link. use the one for regular registration. If you use for rebate, those rebates, I think they are seasonal. But when you use regular, you get your commissions every day at 8, by 8 in the morning. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. Any other person apart from Philip, of which we'll come back to Philip? Any other person with the question?
The issue of Philip, I think, is a managerial thing. So it's a managerial thing. So I think the Philip get in contact with Di Moreno one-on-one so that the two of you can be able to fix it. Because I had the same problem and he helped me to fix it. He was the one that helped me to fix it. And since he helped me, I've never had any problems again. So it's a one-on-one thing. So please, I think you should contact him and then it will be fixed. Okay.
Okay, David. So another person apart from Philip with the question, because time is not on our side. We are over almost 2 hours here. So another person with any question, please. So Philip, I can see you have a question. Philip, are you there, Philip?
I'm connected.
Okay, bro. Okay, if there is no another person with a question or concern or any comment, maybe we can end our meeting there. So I think you guys, you are ready for the challenge. The challenge, maybe David will you'll tell us when the challenge is starting. You have not talked about that. So thank you guys for coming. Thank you for your time. Thank you for being here. So we'll be having such a meetings each and every day around 10 p.m. Kenyan time. So please, guys, try and invite as many people as possible here. Try and invite all your people here so that they can come and learn. They can come and be part of us. So thank you, guys, and good night. David, maybe you can talk about when are we starting?
Okay, so it's supposed to start on the 2nd. It's supposed to start on the 2nd of February. Verifications, today is 30th. Ideally, today is 30th, and then verification is supposed to end today, but I'm still giving them opportunity to be able to. I'm giving everybody the opportunity, anybody who has not registered, opportunity to quickly get in touch, and then we get to register everybody. Thank you. So
okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, David. So for verification and the notification on Telegram, because you'll be added on Telegram, for you to get the notification on that group. So once you are added on that group, you just go to the group. You go to that search group. On that group, you go to notification, then customize. If you want to enable the sound, so that once the signal are sent, you can get the information. Then you can you can put whichever the sound you want. Maybe for cricket, for dream, for fanfare, any sound you want to put as a sign once you get the signal. So you'll be expected to go to that group once you are added in that group and put a notification. You go to custom, then to go to notification, then you customize whichever sound you will be expecting in once the signal is sent, so that you don't miss on each and every signal once they are sent. So guys, for those who are ready, I know very many of you are ready. Maybe you'll You will contact me or Mr. David with the approve of $50 to $100 in your account. So thank you guys for your time.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody, for sharing. Thank you.
Yes, and good night. See you guys tomorrow, time like this.